Introducing the Ultimate Percentage Guide.
In this video, we're going to look at the Ultimate Percentage Guide with different printable activities. This book right here is a 152-page book focused on nothing but percentages. Now, you can get this book on Amazon. You can also find it on Teachers Pay Teachers, and you can also get it on our website. And we'll put all those links in the details below. Now, the 152-page book is broken into two sections: the guide portion and a section for printable activities. So let's look at these real quick. The first section, there's a one-page like brief history of the word percent, but most of this is going to be a guide, like with modeling, examples. So if you're teaching in class, you want examples that you can use in your class, this is going to have them. We start basic with fraction percent relationship. We talk about the part and the whole amount, comparing different quantities. We'll talk about percents of increase and decrease, markups, markdowns. We'll talk about tax. We talk about tip. Each of these sections, there's going to be all kinds of different examples. We'll have combinations of tax with the tip. We have percent of error. We'll talk about compound, simple interest, and we also talk about commissions with and without base salaries. So this whole first section here is a great guide for the classroom. The second half, though, is where I feel like the money really is. This section right here is nearly 100 pages, and it's all printable activities, games, puzzles, lots of hands-on activities. So we start again, just like with the guide, with basic. We have just matching up different decimals, fractions, and percents. We get to some modeling where we do some matching there. A lot of what we have are puzzles, a lot of triangles, a lot of octagon puzzles. We put them all together and it will form like a different shape, and it allows you to real quickly check the answer. Most of these will spell out a different word, like this word here. This puzzle spells out the word squawking. Why, I have no idea, but it does. So you go through here, and we have all kinds of different puzzles. This one, the puzzle actually forms a rectangle. This is like a review game that we use in our classroom. This is like a matching one. And you go over here, this is like a word scramble, so they solve the problems, they fill in the answers, and they have to kind of scramble them. And again, more puzzles. And again, another review game. Here's an octagon puzzle, and it goes all the way, just like with the guide, it goes all the way from basic all the way to the very end here. We start getting into percent of error, base salaries, simple interest, and so on. So if you're in need of a guide, or need of some help, or need of some information regarding percentages, the Ultimate Guide here is definitely the book for you. Thank you for watching.